Guys, my name is Ryan. So today I'm gonna do the toy review part 2, baby. Let's go.
Zombie apocalypse.
So if you guys didn't see toy review part 1, go see it now, cause it was robotic. Okay, I was playing with robots. It was very fun. You guys, if you didn't watch that video, go watch it right now. Okay, then watch this video. So you should watch 1 and 2. Okay, 1 first and 2. So now I'm gonna start off with the vehicles like last time. My first vehicle is this red car. This red car is kind of cool because look at the tires. It's kind of cool though. And you can see the side mirror. There's a lot of touches though. You can see the front light. If you want to go wheelies, go. Put your hands here. Woohoo! It just did a flip. So this goes there. Now I'm going with my second toy. This yellow Lamborghini. So this yellow Lamborghini, it's cool though. But this one doesn't have the rubber tires. This one does, but this one doesn't. And it makes it go even faster. Front lights. And you can see the Lamborghini symbol, right? So the Lamborghini symbol is a touch. It's also the same as that, but a different color and a brand and different tires. So now I'm going to show you another one. It's a thing that you use it for shopping. Comment down below what it is if you figured it out, okay? So it is a trolley. If you guys could get it correct, like this video, okay? So this trolley, you use it for shopping though. So this trolley, I recommend you guys buy this. When you're a kid, you can play with this children. So look, it's fast, but it makes a lot of sound, like the Milo Plus last time I showed you guys. So you guys, I do not know why there is, but real shopping carts has this, but I also don't know why they're putting that there. Okay, so done with that. Now I'm gonna show you my animal toys. Not real animal, fake animal toys, okay? The first one. A goat, guys. Bah! I can't make that sound. Okay, look at that beard. Isn't it cool? It has horns to attack its enemies, okay? So this is one. I have some animal toys, so let me just place it there. So now, sheep. This sheep, it looks realistic though. Look at the horns, look at the face. It looks realistic, right? The fur looks realistic, but it has bendy legs. See? But it's a cool sheep. You can't say anything more about that. So that's one. So I'm gonna put it there, right there. So now this is for the ladies out there, small ladies, kids, girls. You guys really like this, My Little Pony. So I can talk a lot about this though. So if you guys can see the wings, it's cool though. I think this pony can fly. So it has a rainbow tail. You guys can see it. That's a rainbow trail and wings. And there's a horn which is pink in color. And the pony's hair is also rainbow though. It's interesting. So I'm gonna put it here too. Now I'm gonna show you the dangerous animals, okay? Now I'm gonna show you the dragon. Dun dun dun. Woo-hoo. So you can see the beard here and the horns. If you see real life dragons though, it's very sharp here though. There's no dragons, but you can see it in YouTube. There's some dragon caught on TV, caught on camera, okay? So you can see the body is spiky and the tail looks a bit different than, but it looks similar to a fish's tail, right? And you might be thinking, what is that on the dragon's leg or hand? It is a rock. So you see animals putting their hands on the rock, staring at someone. It's the rock. So you guys have the sheep. If you want to attack the sheep, the dragon can bring the rock and hit his face. One punch knockout. So that's it for the dragon. Now here comes the Black Panther. Dun, dun, dun. So guys, this is a cool one. It's black in color because it's a Black Panther though. It's black in color. So its eyes, look at it. Isn't it cool? And look at its tail. So guys, comment down below. Is the dragon stronger or the panther stronger? 1v1. Dun dun dun. But this one can blow fire. 1v1. Come on, baby. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? Comment down below. Okay, now I'm gonna show you those ninja fans out there. I'm gonna show you some ninja fans. So why not? I put my chair there. For the first one, I got this. If you guys see this is a ninja star. So look, you can throw it at people. Like that. So these are ninja stars. So if you're acting like a ninja, if you like ninjas, you should do this. 1v1 boy. Come on. So this, I recommend you guys to buy this. There's more guys. So now I'm gonna start off from the small one to the big one. So now I have this, a shuriken. It's a knife. It's a cool knife. Look. Isn't it cool? You can see the designs. There's diamonds there. So, two ninja stuff done. And now, I got a small red knife. These are not real gold though. See it? It's kind of short though. So look, you can hold it here. If someone's trying to Isn't it cool? You can actually fight your friends. Now, the big one. Dun dun dun. Can you see it, guys? Isn't it cool? Look, you might be thinking it's not sharp at all, so I recommend you guys to buy this. I challenge you to a fight. Isn't it cool? So, let me take my seat. So now, for the big guns. It's a gun. It's a big gun. Guys, look at it. Loaded. So guys, I'll show you like a short film, but not too much. I'll do it for like 2 minutes. Okay, so they're getting attacked by villains. Okay. Isn't it cool, guys? So, that's it for my video. If Do you like this video? Please like it, comment down below, and hit that bell button and the subscribe button if you haven't already. And remember to buy